Welcome, my dear, to your sacred space, a haven where you can be completely yourself. There is no need to hide, no need to pretend here. There is no one to judge you, no one to criticize you. This is a place of truth and healing. Now let's prepare for this beautiful journey. But before we begin, find a comfortable position for this meditation. For deep subconscious exploration, it is the best to lie down or sit in a way that allows your body to fully relax while keeping your spine straight. You may choose to sit cross-legged on the floor or simply in a chair with your feet resting comfortably on the ground. If you feel that you might fall asleep, I recommend sitting instead of lying down, so you remain aware while deeply relaxed. Once you're settled, set the intention to stay truthful to yourself. Let go of all expectations. Let go of any external influences. You are here to explore, to understand, and to release. Now, I invite you to take a deep breath in and out. And if you're ready, gently close your eyes. And take another breath in and exhale. Now, let's slow down your breath. Let's inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale in 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And one last time, let's inhale in 4, 3, 2, and 1, and exhale in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel your mind relaxing, becoming still, becoming open. Now, keep your awareness to your breath. Let it be slow and steady, soft, effortless, allowing each exhale to release any tension from your body. With each inhale, imagine a warm, protective light gently descending from above, like a soft, golden mist, embracing you with warmth and peace. This light slowly moves down, touching the crown of your head, relaxing your forehead, smoothing away any thoughts, and allowing your mind to soften even more and open even more. And it moves down to your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, releasing all tightness, allowing you simply to let go. The light continues down your neck, your shoulders, melting away any tension, making you feel lighter, safer, and more at ease. Feel it flowing down your arms, your hands, your fingertips, filling every cell with warmth, safety, and deep relaxation. Now the light reaches your chest, expanding with every breath, opening your heart, filling you with the deep trust in yourself and this journey. It moves down into your stomach, dissolving any knots of tension making space for clarity and insight. Now it flows into your hips, your thighs, your knees, releasing any heaviness, grounding you in the present. Feel it reaching your calves, your feet, and very tips of your toes. Your entire body is now glowing, protected, fully embracing in this divine light. You're completely safe. No harm can reach you here. Only truth, wisdom, and healing. Now, in front of you, a soft golden light begins to shimmer, shifting and forming into the shape of the door, an ancient doorway that has been waiting for you. This is the entrance to your subconscious mind, the space where all memories, wisdom, and all past lives are stored. Step forward, place your hand on the door, feel the warmth beneath your fingers. You're ready. With a slow, deep breath in, the door gently creaks open, and as you exhale, step through the vastness beyond. You are now in the realm of your soul's journey, the place where past lives whisper their wisdom to you. As you step into the sacred space, take a moment to observe your surroundings. Notice the air, the colors, the energy flowing around you. Take your time. There is no rush here. Now again in front of you, a new being forms. It's radiant, wise, and deeply familiar. This is your guide, the guardian of your soul's evolution. They stand in front of you holding the weight of all you have carried for lifetimes. A soft voice speaks. It's time to see what has been hidden, to release what no longer serves you. Slowly, a mist forms in front of you, revealing the weight you have carried. It may take a shape as an object, a symbol, or simply a feeling deep within you. You have feeling to step closer and observe it, and whatever you see, please do not turn away. Breathe deeply, allowing yourself to fully acknowledge its presence. Now feel where this weight or pain is in your body. Is it in your throat, maybe chest, maybe lower back or belly, or somewhere else? Your guide steps beside you to assist you in this releasing process. You feel their presence is grounding and steady. They whisper, "This is not who you are. It is simply a story, a memory, an energy ready to be set free." Understanding what was said, you take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to soften. If needed, let this sensation of release happen in layers. This is not about forcing. This is about surrendering to what is ready to dissolve. Allow whatever you feel expand. Just observe it and understand it. Now take your time here. Breathe into this part of the body where you feel the pressure, heaviness, or tension. And with every breath out, release. See the dark smoke leaving the body and dissolving into the vastness. Your guide is with you, helping you lift this heaviness that no longer serves you. Inhale deeply, and with exhale, imagine this weight releasing even more. It's releasing its grip. It's leaving your body or your energy field completely and transforming into the light. With every breath, let it lift higher and higher until it becomes shimmer of golden light, drifting into the vastness, dissolving completely. Take your time and release as much as it is naturally happening. You may push gently, but do not force. Just allow it to happen. Allow and trust the process that it is happening. It is leaving your body. It is time for complete transformation. You do not need to carry this old pain or belief anymore. Your guide places their hand upon your back, anchoring you into your energy state. You hear them speaking. You are free. You're no longer bound by what has happened in the past. Now you walk forward as your true self. The chains of the past are no longer defining you. The lessons have been learned and the weight has been lifted. Your life is open to new possibilities. You're free from the patterns that once held you. You are whole, you are strong, and you are limitless. Feel these words resonating deep within you. Breathe them in. Let them settle into your heart, your mind, your very being. Repeat to yourself, I am free from the past. I welcome new possibilities. I trust my journey. I walk forward in strength and clarity. I am whole, I am complete and limitless. And as you speak these affirmations in your mind, feel a new energy awakening within you, a quiet confidence, a deep knowing this is who you truly are. Now notice what remains. What is different? How does your body feel? How does your heart feel? You see your guide steps back, watching you with deep love and pride. They bow gently, their energy merging with the space, leaving you lighter, whole, and at peace. Now see yourself moving back through the doorway, returning to the present, but not the same. You feel light and free. You carry the wisdom but not the weight. Breathe in the clarity filling you. Exhale and feel the gratitude for the journey. Feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your body. You feel steady and supported. Now wiggle your fingers, your toes. Bring back awareness to this moment. Feel your breath. Feel the space around you. Return slowly. And if you were laying down, gently roll to your side before sitting up. If you're seated, press your feet into the ground. Feel that connection, that solid and stable connection. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing the clarity of what has changed within you. You're free, unburdened by the past, stepping into the life of clarity and possibility. You're powerful, radiating confidence, aligned with your highest truth. You are whole, deeply connected to yourself, grounded, and at peace within your being. From now on, your every step forward is filled with wisdom, love, and limitless potential. Final note. If nothing came to you this time, trust that it is still working. Sometimes the answer comes later, in a dream or certain thought or quiet knowing that it wasn't there before. Let it unfold on its own time. You can always return to this meditation whenever you feel called to explore more, to release more, or to go deeper. Trust the process. You're exactly where you need to be. And thank you for choosing yourself.